Well, it's doing. I was really worried at first, and I was hovering my finger over the power switch because it looked like it was gonna run the thing into the side, but it rose up plenty high and it's tapping itself away now. And it seems to be doing pretty cool. You can see, probably not on camera, but it doesn't quite close the gap. Well, maybe just for a very split second it closes the gap. And mine's slightly off than these things, which they do say in the big red text here that it could be off. It has this weird song it sings. Wait, 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 wah. Which is interesting. But it's on there tight, it's on there good, and it's probing away, and it's doing its thing, and it says it's probing, and it'll be pretty cool. Now the next thing that I have to do is I have to be very careful. They have some very explicit instructions here, which is really good, but they talk about how it's gonna probe 25 times, and then after it's done probing, it'll say, we're done, but before we hit OK to remove the sensor, which I'll make sure to do. And then I'll be ready to go do the level test. Now, when I do the level test, G-code, it'll be just like when I did the manual one. I'll do some fine adjusting while it's going on, and I already know how to navigate to that menu, which is really great. And I am already aware of the fact that I need to like press plus or minus and then give it just a little bit of time before I move forward to let it do its thing. So that's pretty cool. Pretty excited about that. And yeah, looks pretty fun. It'll be nice. I do like that it's such a big platform. I can stick stuff like the USB over here, and I can stick my little tweezers that came with it in that little groove there and things like that. That's kind of a nice little hidden feature, right? So it just finished. All right, so now it's got the OK thing. So just like it says in the instructions, first I'm going to take this off. So I'm gonna pop that off. But the annoying thing that I noticed the other day is that in order to get this off, I have to push that out of the way so I can, you know, take the thing off. So before I hit OK on there, I'm gonna actually set you guys down and get that sorted.